Guys, what do we have here?
Rescue hero.
Did anybody forget what we have?
No.
So we have Sandy, Reed, and then who's this one? Forest Fuego. Isn't he cool?
And Billy Blazer.
Billy Blazes. That's Billy Blazes. Ethan, which one do you have?
Rocky Canyon.
Rocky Canyon.
And Reed Velton.
Let me see. Reed Vital, silly. And then we have Sky Justice.
And Carlos.
So which one are we opening? Are we opening all of them?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it. Hold on, let's not rip it. Let's open gently. Ugh. There are a lot of pieces that need to be opened, guys.
Wow.
Ethan, do you need help with that? Come over here. Come right here. Come sit by Avery, and then let's open it. Yeah, right there. Avery, hold on. Gentle. We have to cut this off. Oh, we need a scissors. Oh, to Avery.
Her
So she can
shoes.
see it.
Let's see if she could win. You do like this. And then boom! Zara May. Now her shoes. No, it's not done yet. Boom, Zara May. Now her shoes. Let's see if she could wear it. Wear what? Her shoes. No, Aiden! That's not how it was like. Ta-da! That doesn't fit. Make her that. Here's my shoes. I can for a walk. That's not her shoes. That's her swimming shoes. Amen. Ready? Launch. These are launch. Now where's the water that was supposed to be here? I'm going home. I'm going inside. Look at you. It's so good. Inside. Or maybe that would work. Only this will work. Whoa, I shoot it super quick. Wow. That was so cool. I'm going to find home. And you think that this looks like a snowmobile?
Does which one look like a snowmobile?
This.
A snowmobile? What do you think this is, Aiden?
Hey, Dad.
Do you think that's a snowmobile? You think so?
Yes.
Are you sure?
It's a fun.
Oh, it is, because look at this. That's how I know it's a snowmobile. So how does this go?
Let's see how it shoots there.
How does it shoot?
Who's
Who's this, Aiden?
Sky.
Hi, Sky.
But this
Aiden, look, I can see you through here.
Yes. Oh, but now.
Uh-oh.
It didn't work.
What worked?
This.
What did you do?
And can look how you shoot it. 3,
2, 1.
shoot.
So what does Sky do?
The Sky grabs and shoots.
She grabs and shoots.
Yeah. And well, look what I could even shoot too.
Show me. Grab her. That boy tells you where they were born. Grab her.
Oh wow, this one has one.
Look, Sandy was born in Ireland. I grabbed your hand, silly. Where was who born? Who's
Who
that?
has the scissors?
Sandy was born
That's Sky. Oh my God, Sky was born in where? Hey, Ethan. Where?
Nigeria.
Yes.
Sky was
Ethan.
born in Nigeria?
Sky was born in Nigeria. That is so crazy.
Okay, let me see.
Wait.
This one, who's this?
That's Carlos. Carlos is from Cuba. Okay, this is the coolest thing
What does it
ever.
say Cuba? I don't see Cuba.
Born in
Cuba.
Oh, Cuba, birthplace.
Yeah, this is the coolest thing.
Ah!
This is who's this? Oh, Forest Fuego was born in Colombia. He was born in Colombia.
Okay, all this ones are out. Let me see who's next.
Where did this go?
And this is Rocky Canyon.
Where was Rocky Canyon?
Whoa, Aiden! Rocky Canyon was born in where you were born.
Where?
Where were you born?
United States.
Yeah. Okay, guys,
Rocky
look.
Canyon was born in
What
United
about Reed?
States.
Reed Vitals was born somewhere that Aiden knows somebody. Aiden, come here. Come here, Aiden. Let me show you. What are you looking
I'm
for?
looking for the stuff that was supposed to go here.
Come here, I'll help you find it. It's somewhere in the mess. Aiden, look. Come here, let me tell you something about Reed Vitals. Reed Vitals was born somewhere where you know somebody.
Where?
Right here.
South Korea.
South Korea?
South Korea. Remember Mr. Park and Mrs. M? From Vietnam. That's where they're from. South Korea. Rocky Canyon? Let me see. Okay, who else are we missing, guys? I think we're missing.
We have all the guys' cards.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So we have Sky,
Well, look, you guys born at night.
Nigeria, and then we have Reed is from South Korea.
Mom.
We have Sandy's from Ireland. Who is this? Forest Fuego's from Colombia. That's where I want to go. I want to go to Colombia. And Carlos is from...
Thanks for the fire. Whoa, hold on. Yeah. I'm getting out from his parking spot.